Hello, welcome to Deep River Landing here in Deep River, Connecticut. I'm Stephen Watson, and it is Inspiration Week. And we are doing today's Tàijíquán Tip, and your tip for today is to, throughout your practice, maybe just throughout your form, occasionally, interstitially, have some very childlike expressivity. So I'm kind of thinking about the sort of thing I might see a kindergartner do. That's just kind of what's been in my mind here today. But as you're, I guess I was practicing on the stones, I'll do it on the grass. As you're practicing your form, occasionally, maybe when you get a little bit distracted, you get a little bit stiff, or you're approaching a difficult move, maybe after you've completed a difficult move, or maybe just because you remember this is the tip for today. But occasionally, as you're practicing, do something silly, right? So flapping your wings like a chicken, right? Maybe roaring like a lion. Maybe maybe laughing like a hyena. Maybe hopping like a bunny. Um, and just to infuse within the being, the practice, the art, some silliness, some human expression devoid of reason or meaning, just to express maybe some joy of aliveness, maybe some verve of chi, and enjoy that. And let's make sure that we don't give over these arts that are so important to humanity to just the scholarly and serious. Thank you very much. Maybe hop like a frog.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.